Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanda Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology. We will start a numerical on simple supported with a UDL, Uniform Distributed Load. First, Uniform Distributed Load, so you may see one figure and there is one span, so there is a uniform distributed load of 25 kilonewton per meter. Okay, so we will remove one force, and how to remove force, there is one formula. Point load is equal to UDL multiplied by distributed length. So UDL is of 25 kilonewton per meter multiplied by distributed. On which line it is distributed? It is distributed on 10 meter. Okay, so 10 meters. Meter will get cancelled. I will get a point load is equal to 250 kilonewton. Whatever point load I got, I will mark on the diagram. So 10 divided by 2, it will have 5 meter, and 5 meter middle of that. Okay, 250 kilonewton, it will act at the middle of the 10 meter. So you will solve with numerical. A simply supported beam of a 8 meter span is shown below. Draw SFD and BMD allocating all the points important values. Let RA and RB be the support reaction of the point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upper force is positive and downward force is negative. You may see one span is there of 2 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter, total 8 meter span. In that, between at 3 meter, whole span is acted as a uniform distributed load of 22 kilonewton per meter. Okay, so what I will do first, point load is equal to UDL multiplied by distributed length. So I will get 22 multiplied by 3 is equal to 66 kilonewton. Whatever 66 kilonewton I have got, I will mark at the center of the 3 meter. Okay, after that there is one force of 75 kilonewton at the end of the UDL. So A point, B point, C point and D point, there are 4 point load. Okay, now RA and RB is the support reaction, as I told. Taking the moment of RA plus RB minus 66 minus 75 is equal to 0. I will get RA plus RB 141 kilonewton, and this will be the equation 1. Taking moment of all the forces about the point A, summation of moment at A is equal to 0. Clockwise rotation positive, anti-clockwise rotation negative. RA multiplied by 0 plus 66 multiplied by 3.5 plus 75 multiplied by 5 minus RB multiplied by 8 is equal to 0. RB value I will get 75.75 kilonewton. I will put this value in equation 1. I will get RA value is equal to 65.25 kilonewton. After this, I will calculate the SF calculations. Okay, so SF calculations, SF at AL is equal to 0 kilonewton, SF at AR is equal to 65.25 kilonewton. So RA value it is. Okay, SF at CL is equal to 65.25 kilonewton. SF at CR is equal to same 65.25 kilonewton. SF at DL is equal to one force is upward and the other force is downward, 65.25 kilonewton minus 66 is equal to minus 0.75 kilonewton. At DR it is 65.25 kilonewton minus 66 minus 75 is equal to minus 75.75 kilonewton. At BR, at BL it will be the same, minus 75.75 kilonewton, and at BR it will be a 0 kilonewton. So I have calculated, I have marked all the diagram. So you may see the SFD diagram as I shown. Okay, after that where the video from starting from C point, wherever the SFD is changing its sign from positive to negative, at that till that point I will calculate the x distance. So how to calculate the x distance I will tell you. To find point of the 0 SF, point where SF changes sign, let x be the distance where SF changes sign from C point. Okay, you may see the SF is changing point from C point. SF is changing sign from C point. So formula will be x is equal to 65.25 divided by UDL. From whichever point the SF is changing sign, we will write that value from 65.25 kilonewton, okay, divided by UDL. UDL is 22. I will get 2.96 meter. So whatever distance I have got, I will mark on the figure as x is equal to 2.96 meter. Okay, that is not 46, it is 96. After that, I will calculate the BM calculation. Bending moment at A is equal to bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter since extreme end of beam. Bending moment at C 65 into 25 multiplied by 2 is equal to 130.5 kilonewton meter. BM at D 65.25 multiplied by 5 minus 66 into 1.5. I will get value 227.25 kilonewton meter. Now you may see wherever the UDL is there, as I told in as I given one table first before, wherever there is a point load in SF it will be a rectangle, and in BM it will be a straight inclined line. Okay, but wherever the UDL will be there in SF it will be the inclined line, and in BM it will have a parabola. Okay, so maximum bending moment you have to find. Okay, maximum bending moment, how we will find? So bending moment max is equal to, okay, 65 in 0.25 into 2.96, okay, 4.96 minus, I have shown in figure downward. You may see that, okay, I have just taken the section, okay, section which I have taken, that is AC. Okay, so 2 plus 2.96 meter. So 2.96 meter I will divide in two parts for point load of 65.12 kilonewton. So 65.25 into 4.96 minus 65.12 into 1.48. Whatever value I will get, that will be a maximum bending moment, that is 227.26 kilonewton meter. So I will mark, and after marking I will make the diagram. I will join the lines, and I will join the parabola. I will get the BMD in kilonewton meter. Like this only this sum is solved. A simply supported beam of span 3 meter is loaded as shown in figure. Draw a bending moment from the piece for this beam, indicating all the control values. Okay, so figure is there, 1 meter, total 3 meter span. So let RA and RB be the support reaction at point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. RA plus RB minus 5 minus 10 minus 70 minus 30 minus 5 is equal to 0. So total UDL is of 70 kilonewton per meter. So I have calculated point load is equal to 70 kilonewton per meter multiplied by 1. So same value I will get. I will mark in the center of the UDL. Okay, that will be a point load of 70 kilonewton, taking moment of all the forces about point A. Summation of moment at A is equal to 0. Clockwise rotation it is positive, anti-clockwise rotation it is negative. So I will write the values, and I will get RB value is equal to 63.33 kilonewton. Put in equation 1, I will get RA value 56.67 kilonewton. After that, again I will calculate the SF calculations. Okay, whatever the SF calculation I have calculated, after that I will calculate the X value which I have got 0.6 meter. Okay, after that I will calculate the BM calculation. After BM calculation I will calculate the maximum bending moment, and that will be a 66.57 kilonewton meter. Okay, by this your SFD and BMD completes. Okay, same Draw a SFT and BMD of simply supported beam of a span L and carrying out the UDL of W per meter. Okay, the converted UDL load is W into L will act at the center of the beam. Therefore, RA is equal to RB is equal to WL upon 2. Okay, so I will calculate the SF calculation. After SF calculation, I will calculate the BM calculation, and in maximum bending moment, you may see the figure which I have drawn. Okay, so it is bending moment WL upon 2 multiplied by L upon 2 minus WL upon 2 multiplied by L by 4 is equal to WL square divided by 4 minus WL square divided by 8. I will get value total WL2 divided by 8 for a maximum bending moment. Okay, for maximum bending moment I have got value, and I will make the curve. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you may ask during the live session.